Hi, good morning guys. And now gagawin natin is kung paano gamitin to Oracle Virtual Box Manager para sa Windows. Ang gagawin natin, go nice new, set nyo lang name nyo like this. Then sa folder, click nyo lang to dito sa gilid and others. Then Windows 10, okay, select folder and sa ISO image, sa others, Windows 10, okay, and then huwag mo kakalimutan ng skip unattended installation, okay, don't forget that. Then you go this, okay na yan. Sa hardware, dito makikita nyo is yung base memory, okay, dito nyan, huwag nyo lang idadaan dito sa kulay pula. Yan, kahit na sabihin natin mga ganyan lang. Yan. Then ito, i5 natin yan. 5. Yan. Sa hard disk, wala kayong gagalawin. Okay na yan. Then finish yun na. Okay. And start. Okay, start na lang. Click start. Then yan, waiting nyo lang. Loading yan. Okay, mainip, okay. Yan. Yan, lalabas dyan. Okay, wait nyo lang, hintayin nyo lang. Okay, ito mainip. Yan lang. Isa lang to. Waiting lang. Ito na yung lalabas. Okay, yan. Excellent to. Yan, tanggalin ito para maganda. At makita nyo to at maklik nyo tong next. Next nyo lang. Kasi okay naman na yan eh. English United States. Yan. English United States, US. Yan. And then, click this. Then, install now. Okay. Wait lang. Setup is starting. Okay. Wait nyo lang yan. Hintayin nyo lang. Then yan, the product key looks like this. Mga ganyan. So that wala pa, hindi natin alam yung product key natin. I don't have product key. Click nyo lang yan. Okay, lalabas yan. Mga Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 Home N, Windows 10 Home Single Language, Windows 10 Education, yan, Windows 10 Education N, Windows 10 Pro, Windows 10 Pro N. Okay, pero i-click natin dito is yung Windows 10 Pro na x64. Okay, click natin ang Pro. Okay, then next lang natin. Okay, yan, lalabas yung applicable notice and license term. Okay, slide nyo lang. O, kung babasahin nyo, kung masipag kayo magbasa, let's go. Yan, basta basahin nyo lang yan kung gusto nyo basahin. O, hindi mo babasahin, grabe, basahin ka, baka abutin tayo ng siyam-siyam. Then accept, accept. Then next. Okay, yan, upgrade and custom. Dito tayong pipili. Pipiliin natin custom. Install Windows only advanced because the file setting and application aren't moved to Windows with this option. If you want to make change to partition and drives, start the computer using the installation disk. recommend backing up your files before you continue. Okay, kaya click natin to, then lalabas to. Yan, dapat mga 50 lang yan. Okay, then next nyo lang. Okay, then lalabas yan. Mag-install lang yan. Kaso dito tayo maghihintay na mga ilang segundo, minuto at oras. Kailangan mo maghintay. Tsaga-tsaga lang. Let's go. Okay, wait lang. Matatapos na. Wait lang po. Natapos na siya. Ay, nako. Tsaga-tsaga lang. Timpis na lang. Ayan. Ayos na yung getting files ready for installation. Okay, sunod na installing features na, sunod next installing updates and finishing up. Okay. Wait lang. Tamang hintay lang. Tsaga-tsaga lang talaga. Kamainip. Kung inipin ka, wala. Let's tayo dyan. Ay, malapit na. Finishing up na yan. Makita nyo yung susunod na lalabas. Then loading. We're starting in 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait nyo lang yan. Getting device ready. Wait nyo lang siya. Lalabas yan. Kailangan nyo talaga ng mahabang pasensya. Okay, ito na, lumabas na siya. Let's start with region. Is this right? Okay, ano yan, pili ka lang dyan, region mo, pili ka lang. Okay, dito yun, United States tayo. Isla natin. Yes, just a moment. Okay, wait lang. Just a moment ulit. Moment of truth. Okay, USA, English. Hanap tayo. sa keyboard layout natin. Ito natin muna, baba tayo, tingnan natin masyado. Okay, wala. US lang natin to. US natin. Kasi natin. Skip lang natin yan. Okay. Now, yun yung important setup to do. Okay. Wait lang natin. Sit back and relax while we work our magic. Wow, magic. Okay, please don't turn off your device. Wait lang natin. Kung anong kakalabasan. Okay. Setting up. Okay, sineset na. Wait lang natin. Thanks for your patience. Okay, thank you rin. Thank you. Okay. Okay, we got through this part of setup. Okay. Just a moment ulit. Just a moment of truth. Okay. Dito na tayo. Okay, please wait just a moment. Okay. Create tayo ng pin. Okay. Create tayo ng pin. Okay. Okay lang natin. Wait lang. Okay tayo sa account. Just a moment. Okay, dito na tayo. Okay lang. Accept lang natin. Okay, accept lang. Okay, accept lang natin na accept. Okay lang. Okay, kailan natin yan. Okay, dito na tayo sa service. Okay, service na tayo. Okay, skip lang natin to. Okay, skip. Oh no. Skip lang natin. Okay, skip lang. Okay. No thanks na lang. Okay, no thanks. Okay, wait nyo lang. Skip lang natin yan. Skip lang. Okay. Okay, just a moment. Shoot. Okay. No natin yan. Hi. Okay. So tayo. We got everything. Okay. Okay, ready na. That might take several minutes. Don't turn off your PC. Okay. Tignan natin. Maghintay lagi. Mapaghintay naman tayo eh. Okay. Then, okay, lulutin to us. Okay, wait lang. Tsaga-tsaga lang. Tsaga-tsaga lang tayo. Natin yan. Ito na. Setup natin. Okay. Ito na yung setup natin ng Windows 10 64-bit. Okay. Ito na. Ito na yung natin. Thank you for watching.